I don't want to impose on your time.
Okay.
Oh, yes, please, please, please. Let me just tell you, I loved your dad. For a blues musician, he could really cheer people up.
Just thinking about him makes me smile.
Oh, Lisa, your movie was so sad and beautiful.
That poor octopus. Your movie really makes you think about the wondrous creature beneath the batter and the marinara sauce and the... Lisa's friend.
I think I need some time alone.
Of
Oh,
course.
sweetie, whatever you need.
You want to watch it again? I know, I broke the code and interfered.